One and all, I'm extremely happy to introduce you to Mrs. Bhargavi Satyan, who will be giving a Sogetsu freestyle demonstration now. She started learning Sogetsu Ikebana from the well-known teacher, Mrs. Priya Ranganathan, in 1970. Since then, she's been practicing Ikebana, participating in many exhibitions, taking classes, and giving demonstrations. She did her 5 certificate courses from Mrs. Prabha Nair and did her 6 certificates from Mrs. Nirmala Narayana Murthy. She was the director of Sogetsu School of Ikebana, Bangalore from 2004 to 2006 and now serving as an honorable secretary. Very much interested in craft, she was working in a school and as a craft teacher for 15 years. Her favorite hobby is origami and also does a lot of paper craft, macrame and bleaching leaves, etc. She has given craft demonstrations on many TV channels. She has served in the inner wheel for a long time at club level, district level, and national level as a secretary. She is an MA in psychology from Mysore University. Bhargavi thinks having hobbies is very important as it helps in old age for hand and mind coordination. This is the secret of my happiness at this old age, says Bhargavi.
Please explain a little.
It's made of newspaper.
Oh. You have made small rings and attached them, is it?
Yeah. Make small rings and attach them. Yeah. With newspaper. I'll bring it in front, I think. Let me put it here. I'll put one more now. It is like this.
You show it in front of the camera. One of you just show it in front of the camera. You show it on the other side, Bhargavi. They'll be able to see.
But 1 second.
Yeah. Hmm.
Craft item that is made of newspaper and painted.
The video is getting stuck.
I'm putting BOP leaves. BOP leaves. Hanging Heliconia, BOP leaves, and I'm also using bleach leaves.
What leaves are there, Bhargavi?
These
What
are
are
all
the
bleach leaves from my, I bleached the leaves from my champak tree. I have a
Oh.
champak tree and I take out the leaves and bleach them.
Because of the white background, it's getting lost. Show one near the camera, Bhargavi, before you add it.
Okay.
It's very pretty because the background is white, it's getting lost.
This
Yeah,
is the,
yeah, now it is seen.
Yeah, now
yes.
it's nice.
ah,
Oh, you bleach them separately
see
and
the
dye it
leaves
to a
now?
stick. Okay, it's nice.
whenever I have time, I try to bleach the leaves. There's one more. Listen. I'm adding one more branch. Okay.
Oh, it's nice.
And I think I'll add some yellow
Someone is
flowers.
asking, how do you bleach the leaves?
Yeah, sure. I'll tell you that later on. Okay. I was just thinking if I have to add some color into it, yellow color.
Yeah, button chrysanthemum.
Yeah,
Yellow
small
button
button chrysanthemum.
chrysanthemums.
Just to give some color in the center.
That's a very tall vase on the table, so difficult to reach.
Yeah. It's a tall vase. But for a hanging heliconia, we need a tall vase. No?
Yeah. Now for the chrysanthemum, I was wondering you need a stool or what.
Yeah.
The curve of the bleached branches are standing beautifully.
Thank
But
you.
for the background, it would have looked very nice.
But for all the rest, we need a
Okay.
white background. That is the thing.
Yeah,
That's true.
normally we have a white background, but what to do?
Very nice
Otherwise we can't
background.
keep on changing the background.
Background.
So
I
this is
know.
my arrangement, second arrangement.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's
beautiful.
very nice.
Okay.
Yeah, ask them to
Now
take
we will go to
pictures.
the and
The arrangement.
yeah, I'm coming this way so that you can take a picture.
Next time when you move your bowl and all that so that in the picture it won't come.
Oh, sure. Shall we go to the third arrangement then? I'll remove this and we'll go to
Yeah.
the third arrangement. Yeah. This arrangement, because it is time consuming, I have made a few arrangements which I am showing now. And in this arrangement, I have used two Jaipur containers. Jaipur containers, a wood piece, Song of Jamaica, BOP, and Janur woven coconut leaf.
Bhargavi, what container did you say?
Jaipur.
Jaipur containers.
Jaipur, okay.
Jaipur containers. And the woven leaves are coconut leaves woven, that is Janur.
Is that wooden vases or metal?
Metal, brass.
Metal, brass. We'll go to the next arrangement. Good. I'm using 3 brass containers in this.
The Urli is from Kerala.
Yeah. Good.
All antique vases are coming out.
Yeah. But these things are very heavy to put on a pin holder. Anyway, I have put them. And this one will come out like this. Along with this, I am using eucalyptus leaves. Eucalyptus leaves. So, one more piece to come here.
ரித்து பாக்குறேன்னா எங்க போயிட்டேன் ரித்து பார்க்க வரேன்ச்சு வந்துருச்சா
I'm
The
using
palm
brass.
inflorescences are from your garden, Bhargavi.
And
The
yeah,
palm inflorescence.
yes, correct. Along
Many
with
garden
this, I use
materials are
brass.
seen, whether your garden or otherwise.
I don't have a big garden anyway.
But you have friends who have gardens, so be happy.
Yeah, correct. That's very, very correct. Who,
The brassica is nice
lots
and
of
big.
friends- friends who are really happy to share their material and everything.
Prajakta, that is called Brassica,
Brassica.
the cabbage family. No, somebody is asking on the chat, what are those flowers?
Actually, it's ornamental cabbage.
You're breaking it so easily with your hand.
Yeah, it breaks. It breaks.
That is strong Bhargavi for you.
I think so. And along with this, I'm using philodendron leaves. These leaves are also from my friend's garden.
Bhargavi, it's okay to name your friends from whose garden you've got. So they'll be
He has
happy.
asked me not to tell him.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm almost
All the shades of green are just beautiful.
yeah, all the shades of green. Yeah, this is my fourth arrangement.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay.
Yes, it's nice.
Savita Grover is saying great material.
Shall we remove this now?
Yes.
Yeah. Next arrangement. Yeah. I'm using these two containers. Along with,
Fiberglass.
yeah, fiberglass containers. These are from curry leaf plant.
From your own garden.
From my mother's. Long back I cut it. It's not new, it's an old one,
Old is
which I have
gold.
used so many times.
Purnima, that is curry leaf tree from her mother's garden. Age-old material.
Age old. Yeah, correct. Very old. Yeah. There are two more pieces. I thought I'll just keep one here. and one in the center, just like that. With this, I am using hosta lily leaves.
Again from your garden.
This, of course, from my pot, yeah.
They're really nice, big ones.
Yeah, nice big ones I got this time.
It's garden fresh. We can see how fresh it is. And nicely
It's
oiled.
a
And,
fresh.
yeah.
Uh, yeah.
Anything left in the pot, Bhargavi? Looks like you've cut off all your
Yeah.
leaves.
No, yeah, there are a few more.
Probably
Yes,
small
there are
ones.
a few more. And along with this, I am using gerberas.
Gerberas.
I see that. I use the gerberas.
Hey, anthurium, Bhargavi.
Oh, I'm sorry. Anthuriums.
Anthuriums.
Anthuriums. I'm sorry.
She said anthuriums initially, then
Yeah. Actually, I didn't buy gerberas this time. I don't know.
Seema Sai, the leaves are hosta lily from her pot in her garden. Seema's asking what are those leaves?
Oh, hosta lily leaves from my small little garden.
Actually, in a wide mouth container, when the flowers have a thin stem like this, it's not easy to place them.
But because of the wood piece, I think
You
I'm
can
managing.
manage, yeah.
Yeah, that is what it is. I'm managing because of the wood piece. I have to put them wherever I can. That is what I'm doing. Huh? Anything?
No, nice. You don't come, just the flower. Meenakshi is saying it's a colorful combination.
Thank you. I have one more. Yeah. I can put it here. Yeah. and the fans. I'll take the fans. These are the fans I made from gift wrappers.
Beautiful fans.
No,
there.
actually, new gift wrappers, not the old ones anyway.
Okay. So there is one your craft in every arrangement. Your handmade
Not
fans.
every arrangement. Yeah, a little bit of my craft also.
Yeah, that is your specialty.
One here. And this anthurium is coming in way. I'll make him sit here.
Nandana's comment is epic, epic, epic fans. Nandana's commenting for every arrangement. Nandana's her granddaughter.
Yeah. Yeah, this is it. I'm just thinking if I can put in some button chrysanthemums.
Seema Sai says superb and exquisite and inspiring.
The fans
Thank
are
you.
looking so nice.
Aditi says, wow, so beautiful, want to try. Want to try
Just a
one
small
of them.
bit of this thing here. It's going inside. I think I have to put a long one. I'm just trying to find out where I have the place to put it. Yeah. Yes. I think I have completed my arrangement.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೈಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿಬೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ದು
ಅಲ್ಲ
Yeah, it's fine.
Malti is saying you're fond of combination containers and colorful arrangements. Malti from Chennai.
Thank you. Thank you, Malati. Shall we remove this now?
Yes.
Yeah, you can do.
Yeah. You've taken the photo, no?
I think so.
Yeah, this is better. Bhargavi, without the fan, this is better.
Okay, fine. I thought I must show my handcraft also.
Seema says she loved the fans.
No, no, definitely. Without the fan, it is not looking nice at all.
Each one their own.
Fan,
Yeah.
Fans on the table next to the vases was fantastic.
Is that again with the ice cream sticks?
Yes.
Yeah, correct.
That is your favorite material to teach the children.
Showing one arrangement which I've already made wherein I have used 3 baskets. These 3 baskets, normally we keep it horizontal, but I thought let me keep it vertical and try the arrangement. This is what it is, all the 3 baskets in vertical lines next to one another. And I have used scabiosa, veronica, small chrysanthemums, button chrysanthemums, and ivy leaves.
Ivy or asparagus plumosus?
Both.
Can we
Ivy
get a
and
clearer look of the of the arrangement? Tell from where your baskets are, Bhargavi.
Baskets are from England. My friend Leela Venkatadri, she got it from England, and of course, she gave it to us.
And your coffee berries below. You didn't tell the
Yeah.
coffee berries.
Yeah, coffee berries are there.
And also a piece of wood, I think.
Yeah, correct.
Basket, piece of wood, scabiosa, asparagus,
Bridal.
plumosus, coffee berries.
Okay, now shall we move to the next one?
Yes.
Fine. Okay, again, I have to put it on. This is from my friend's house, Gajalakshmi. I am putting these umbrella palm and trying to bend them now a little bit.
Aditi Narendra says, wow, it looks so vibrant, so good.
Thank
All
you.
praise for your baskets.
Oh, baskets. Very good.
Hello.
Ah.
Star video. Start. Go on clicking on it. Wait. I have put. I must go on doing it.
Shashikala, need to mute yourself.
Oh, sorry. Comes back.
I'm just bending them a little. This umbrella palm, of course, not from my garden. Can you hear me?
Yeah, you already told it's from Gajalakshmi's garden.
Okay.
We can hear you.
Okay.
That coffee wood is catching the eye.
Yeah, coffee wood. And with this, I thought I'll use some chrysanthemums because with green, white will go very well.
The length is beautiful of the chrysanthemums.
Yeah.
Nandana says, this is amazing, can really see the effort of yours. And who is Prasaf? I don't know. Great effort, detailed planning, wonderful arrangements. NKL Prasaf or Prasad.
Prasad, my nephew.
Okay, there is F instead of D. So Mr. Prasad, anyway, Bhargavi is a meticulous planner. We know that. She plans the layout for our exhibitions and flawless. Her graph has to be just followed. That's it.
I think I'll cut this portion.
Aditi Narendra says, wow, can see the effort, good going. Megha says we can see the experience of 50 years. Amazing, lovely arrangements and beautiful lady. Beautiful lady, Bhargavi. You
Oh,
got
thank
a
you, thank
compliment.
you. Okay.
Godmother of
It will go
Sogetsu School
here.
of Ikebana, Bangalore chapter.
For everything we rely on her,
Yeah.
whether it is
that's right.
drafting a letter or a program. We first call Bhargavi for it.
Thanks a lot for all the compliments. I will put it here. No, I have to cut it a little bit.
But
Ajaya says, lucky to have this demo. Nandana says the choice of flowers are so good. The chrysanthemums are just beautiful.
Yeah, nice chrysanthemums we got. I went shopping on Monday or Tuesday.
Sometimes we just have to be lucky to get the right flowers.
Especially the chrysanthemums and the liliums.
Yeah. Either they
Sometimes they
don't
bloom and
bloom or
sometimes-
they're overbloomed.
The liliums I have, but they're almost full bloom, I think.
Nina saying very good size. Nothing in comparison to Delhi, but still.
Bangalore to
she's
get
got
this itself
beautiful
is a
flowers.
boon.
Hmm?
In Bangalore to get this itself is a boon, I said.
Yeah.
The day we want, we'll not get.
Aditi says, wow, not everyone has this talent. Yes, Aditi, accepted. Especially with her specialty in craft. Nobody to
I
beat
put
her.
that,
Origami.
Not only
not origami,
origami,
no.
Macrame.
Macrame,
anything
I
you
didn't
give
do
her,
Yeah.
any material in her hand, they become magical. Leather fun.
A leather one.
Even that is a very good size.
Because of the rain, I think we are getting good.
Material,
Material?
yeah.
Ah.
And also because of the lockdown, I think everything has grown to full size.
Yeah, maybe. This can come at the back. I thought I'll put one more here. Have to cut a little bit.
Geeta Sehgal says, beautiful, beautiful, appreciate the talent.
I have one more piece. I'll cut it a little bit here. Yeah, that's it. White
Bhargavi
and green
Nita Savant
combination.
says, wonderful experience with great masters. Thank you very much. Nita Savant.
Oh, thank you, Nita.
Green and white is an evergreen combination, and even your vases
Evergreen
can be-
combination. So, in a green vase also. I've used 2 green containers and umbrella palm and chrysanthemums.
Meenakshi
Ah, yeah,
Bandari
leather
says
fern.
each arrangement is a creation.
So thank you. Shall I move a little bit?
Yes.
Yeah, shall we remove this now? And we will, yeah, we'll remove this and one more, this thing, the last one here. It's getting late or what? I have
No, no, you can
10 minutes
continue.
time.
No, no, you can
Okay.
continue.
Ah. I'm using two tall containers here and a shallow container.
Bhargavi, Taruna says beautiful arrangement done with so much patience.
Thank you, Taruna. And then I think I'll move this a little bit. And this will come here.
No prizes for guessing from where this material is. What, Bhargavi?
Tell me. Yeah,
No prizes
can
for
guess.
guessing from where is this material.
Tell me.
This material, I said no prizes for guessing. What you have used.
Can you guess? Can you
Your-
guess?
Your famous Dracaena tree.
Not from my garden. I think I have to cut it a little more. These liliums sometimes they never open out. They're in bud form, but sometimes they open too much. This is a bud which I can use here. And again, this one will come here. And here I think I will remove a little bit of this leaves.
Indumati Davlur says beautiful materials arranged methodically and with such ease.
Methodically.
With such ease.
One more bud here. And this is almost two more buds. The pin holder is turning.
Again, Ajaya is saying very coolly, ma'am is working to create beautiful designs. Camera is going little out of focus, ma.
Is it?
Yes.
I'll move the arrangement. Okay. I'll move the arrangement a little bit so that I have a frame here which I had used recently. Yeah. Yes. And this will come here. These are dry maple leaves, cotton branch, then oriental lilies, then Dracena. These are the
Meena
things I have
says,
used.
really love Bhargavi ma'am's enthusiasm and creativity.
Thank you.
You should tell from where the material is, Bhargavi. From all over the world you have.
Yeah, yeah. My sisters are there in America, brother in Denmark. So I keep on getting lots of things from them.
The maple leaves are from where?
USA,
Cotton buds.
cotton buds, England.
So pretty, so natural.
For the frame, I have put jute thread vertically and black thread horizontal. And of course, Dracena and liliums, pink liliums. We will go to the last arrangement now. We'll go to the last
Your
arrangement.
question is answered, I think. She just told it is jute thread she's used vertically. And
Yeah, jute thread
horizontally.
vertically, black thread.
What is the black thread?
It's some nylon thread, I think.
Okay.
Yes. And we are moving to the last arrangement.
This one with the frame, it looks like peeping through the window.
Okay. In this arrangement, last arrangement, I have used an iron frame, water bottles with jute thread, then Madhukamini branches, carnations, sweet williams, button chrysanthemums, and golden meduca, with, of course, my origami birds.
The cane, you used cane also.
Yeah, cane and origami birds.
Is it possible to show a close-up where the birds are seen, Suma? I think the birds are lost.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ close up ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ birds ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸಿ
Or you pick up one crane and show. Yeah, that is better. It is not seen. The birds are so beautiful.
I normally
Yeah,
make
yeah.
birds, umbrellas,
And this
so
is
many
for
other
good luck. Crane is for good luck.
Good luck. Crane. Because they think, the Japanese think crane lives for 1,000 years. And whenever they want to wish people, they say, they give a crane and wish them good health and all that.
Very beautiful.
So thank you, friends, for joining these things. And now I request all my friends who have been helping me.
Meanwhile, I would like to show Bhargavi ma'am's few of her arrangements, a small video of hers.
Yeah, by the time they come here, yes. They're showing the arrangements. These are some old pictures. Music ಇತ್ತು ಅವತ್ತು, ಇವತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. Doesn't matter. From some of the exhibitions and of course. Okay, shall
Very
we?
beautiful video.
Can I introduce my friends who have been helping me all along?
Yes, auntie, carry on.
Okay. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. This is Pushpalata, Suma, then Sudha Venkatesh and Geeta Somashekar. All these 4 ladies have been helping me a lot. Even 2 days back, they came here and helped me with all the preparations. And today they are here to help me out. Thank you, ladies.
Oh, nice.
Thank you, ladies, for helping madam so much.
And we have so many others also helping me. Gajalakshmi has helped me a lot. Then Nirmala Narayanamurthy has sent those Janur leaves.
Now we shall present a certificate of appreciation to Bhargavi. Shobha,
Yeah,
will you please
sure.
spotlight the certificate? This is a certificate, Bhargavi, we are presenting to you.
Thank you so much.
The director and the Sogetsu School of Ikebana, Bangalore, certificate of appreciation. The director and the committee proudly presents this certificate to Mrs. Bhargavi Satyan for her exotic freestyle floral demonstration on 15th July 2021. Thank you, Bhargavi.
Thank you so much for the certificate. And thank you for all those who have come and seen the arrangements. I
Now,
think we should go for vote of thanks.
just a minute. Okay. Here I would like to mention that both the poster and the certificate were done by my daughter Namita Sendil, but today she is held up in some meeting and she is not able to attend the meeting. Thanks, Namita. Thank you so much for your effort, and along with your busy schedule, you have been able to help us with poster and the certificate. Thank you.
You should have just shown a picture of us. Gajalakshmi, you should have shown a picture of us.
One second. I would like to thank Shobha Madhu for all the work she's doing there as a moderator. Shobha, you are there?
Yes, auntie.
Shobha,
Yeah.
thank you very much
Welcome,
for being
Shobha.
the moderator
Thank
for
you
this
so much.
program.
I'm here. And thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for being
much,
the
Shobha.
moderator for this program.
Thank you.
Okay. Now vote of thanks
Okay, I
by
think-
Shashikala Kodanram.
Shashikala
Can you
ma'am,
hear
can
me?
you
Shashikala,
yeah.
Can you hear me?
yeah, you have to
Yes.
unmute your video also.
Yeah, I'll
We
unmute.
can't see you.
I don't know why it's not working. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
yes
we
ma'am,
can
we
hear
can
you.
hear you. You
Okay,
can
I'll just
carry
say
on.
it aloud, that's all.
Okay.
Dear friends, warm greetings to one and all. Trust all of you and your families are in good health and cheer. I deem it a great pleasure to render a vote of thanks for today's well-organized program conducted by the Sogestu School of Ikebana, Bangalore. At the very outset, I thank all the dignitaries, directors, presidents of the various organizations and schools of Ikebana who were present. I thank P. Suma for the invocation. I thank Mrs. Gajalakshmi Murgesh, the director of the Sogestu School of Ikebana, for her welcome address. Thank you, Mrs. Sujata Prakash, for the wonderful, thought-provoking introduction.
Sharat Kumar.
Yeah, Mrs.
It is-
Sujata Sharat Kumar for the wonderful, thought-provoking introduction of Mrs. Bhargavi Satyan. I place on record our sincere appreciation and thanks to Mrs. Bhargavi, 50 years of experience in Ikebana and her maiden Sogestu freestyle demonstration this evening. All of us have had the pleasure of viewing her vibrant, versatile, and exquisite and exotic arrangements and enjoyed it too. We appreciate her meticulous planning. Her arrangements revealed her creativity, her perception, and invention. I feel it is right to tell this particular quote, a repository of knowledge and development and aggregation, which is the concept of man in this knowledgeable age. It refers to her. The color, shapes, size, and material and purpose says it all. Not to speak of the flora and fauna. Hats off to you, Mrs. Bhargavi, another feather in your cap. All of us appreciated it. I thank Mrs. Namita Sendil, who designed the poster and the certificate of appreciation, elegantly done in pastel shades. Last but not the least, we pay homage to late Mrs. Priya Ranganathan. Thanks to the director and the committee members of the Sogestu School of Bangalore, who were responsible for conducting this program. An inspiring show indeed. All this could not have been done without Shobha Madhu, the moderator, and Suma P for the photography. And a very big thank you to those who gave a helping hand to Bhargavi. And Namita Suresh, thanks for reading all those comments that came regarding the appreciation. It was certainly helpful indeed. I thank the audience present here who contributed to the success of the event. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay in touch. Thank you all.
Thank you so much for an inspiring vote of thanks, Kala, Shashikala. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure.
I